Assalamu alaikum my friends, I welcome you to my channel. How Gökberk and Özge helped orphaned children in the earthquake disaster. We will know this in today's video. So before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can easily get the notification of all our upcoming videos. Helped people affected by the earthquake in Gökberk and Özge a lot. He also met the orphans there who became orphans due to the earthquake accident. Gökberk and Özge spoke very lovingly to these children and listened to them and encouraged them. He said that if people need anything, we will help you, we will fulfill your need. He and Özge's mother also helped some old people there a lot and have been displaced due to earthquake. Everyone thank Gökberk and Özge for this help. Gökberk and Özge are very nice and kind-hearted people. Love to help everyone. My dear friends, have you also helped anyone affected by this earthquake? Tell me in the comment box. Maybe someone else will be ready to help them after seeing your kindness, because at this time they need help a lot and we should help them. We are a fan of Gökberk and Özge and want to know the daily updates of Gökberk and Özge, then subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can easily get updates of Gökberk and Özge daily. So my dear friends, how did you like today's video? Did you like this word Gökberk and Özge or not? Share your opinion in the comment box, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel. And if you like the video, then like and share it. See you in a new video with new information. Allah Hafiz. Take care of